going to make a drawing based off of our sketch. So we're going to do that right there in that midline. And I think we're going to keep this really basic and then add all of this detail after the fact. So we'll use the slot tool. The center point slot tool is pretty simple. It's like a pill shape. It will more or less like move kind of in the direction we want. You can hit escape if you want to get out. And you can extend it, move it, do whatever you got to, just so it kind of aligns with this. And the other thing you'll want to do is probably come in and start to, like articulate the shape, because we can just cut away. So one big part would be maybe the crank needs to be cut away. You can hit that. And over here where the buttons are, again, these are all placed in the right way. So making these like little changes shouldn't be too stressful. If you mess up, like I'm messing up right now with this, don't worry, you can always go in and edit. Hit escape if you want to manipulate the tools, and just come over here. And then we can extrude, we can edit, we can do whatever we need to kind of go back in and fix our shape, okay? So you just want to make sure these are below the surface, that way they bottom out where they're supposed to. And we want to make sure that there's no like issue here. And it looks okay, not the best work, but it's okay. And I'm going to show you how to use the trim tool, because that's actually how this all works. So we'll come into there, yeah. And now the trim tool is this cut tool right here. So anywhere where the lines overlap, it'll allow us to actually trim back any of the stuff we're not going to use. So like for the example, this one, we're not going to use that and that. And it'll still be one profile, which is super helpful because we can obviously edit that, hit escape, hit finish sketch. And now we should be able to extrude this or even rotate it, whatever we want to do. And we'll just take this up like that and make sure it covers everything a little beyond it. And now I have my first half. We'll want to make that a new body. And same thing on the bottom. Or we can even do this equidistant. So we could say it's two sides or even symmetric. And it'll give us what we need. And as long as it's a new body, it'll be in the right shape. And we just click OK. So that should be useful, and you can